Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super delicious chocolate milkshake using Milo. So to decorate the milkshake, I used mini marshmallows, chocolate biscuits, some more chocolate biscuits, and whipped cream. And for the actual milkshake, I used milk, chocolate flavored ice cream, ice cubes, and Milo. Put all the milkshake ingredients in a blender and blend it for a few minutes until it is smooth. This is the milkshake and it is absolutely delicious. You can drink it just like this, but I like to add some extra toppings. So here I am adding whipped cream. I also like to dust it with powder. I added some mini marshmallows, drizzled it with chocolate syrup, and added biscuits. And there you have it. This is the perfect milkshake for on a warm summer day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.